we just got a dumping of snow. Doesn't look like that much because it's really packed snow. But it's supposed to be like 15 centimeters accumulated or something like that, but it does not look like that anymore, but it's heavy. Just putting together my Champion snowplow for my ATV. See how that goes. Just shoveled off all the panels. That's a huge downside of solar in the winter, especially if you have them on the roof. Those are the biggest pains. Ground mounts, definitely the way to go. That one, the snow pretty much fell off completely off that one and that one because I purposely put them on quite a big angle, which isn't the best for the summertime, but it's great for winter. Those are the biggest pain because they're the hardest to get to, and because they're coming down on two angles, it just really gets really deep at the bottom. And then those are kind of a pain too, but just the way it is. But yeah, gotta move some vehicles around. I'm gonna move this boat. Just got this boat, got it for 800 bucks. It's got some issues, but we're gonna fix that for next year. I'm gonna move that so we can plow, and then I gotta shovel off the house trailer, put a tarp over it. All kinds of fun stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. How's it going, guys? Got the room a little further along. Got a temporary curtain to keep the heat in because the windows are like a big hole in your wall. Everything's looking pretty good. Got a new heater in here. This is our baseboard style heater. It works pretty good. I like it. It's nice and safe for children because nothing gets hot. Even up here you can touch it. It does get uncomfortable, but that's about it. I got it hooked up to a Wi-Fi switch. These things are awesome. This is only a 500 watt heater, which works really well for this room. I turn it on with my cell phone whenever I have a sunny day, just to heat the room. Right now we got 2500 watts and 2500 watts coming in, about 5,000 between the two. And we're not even at peak yet. It's very hazy out today too, so usually we'd be at a little bit more. The house is off grid. Today we're using the Magnasign. I'm giving the reliable a rest because I've been using that for a few weeks straight and everything's good so far. I really do like running it through the transformer. One thing, like this is a high frequency inverter. They have their downfalls, but they also have their pros as well. I find that the Magnasigns, the lights will dim more up and down when heavy duty pumps turn on and stuff like that, but the reliable doesn't do that near as much. It actually holds its voltage, and when the light just very slight flicker, almost nothing. So that is one thing that these are better at, but these can surge way higher. I think they're just designed because of the transformer style. The transformer itself lets the voltage sag. But it works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Everything's working great. I really do like this transformer. It doesn't sag like the 3000 watt did. So that thing is quite powerful. And we have yet to get the doors on. That is coming because I gotta make them. No, apparently you can't buy a double closet door anymore. You gotta make it yourself. You gotta make the stupid jambs and everything. So we got that coming. And yeah, just a quick update. Got a TV in here, all kinds of stuff. We got a fan that I'm putting together to put up because when we run the fireplace, we have tall ceilings and all the heat goes up. Also, we got a Christmas tree up. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.